Level up your writing game, the ultimate guide to freelance writing tools. Hey everyone, it's NY Moore here. Today we're diving deep into the world of freelance writing tools that'll take you from amateur to expert faster than you ever thought possible. We're talking about the secret weapons that'll have you pumping out high-quality content, managing your clients like a boss, and staying organized. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro looking to streamline your workflow, trust me, you do not want to miss this one. Let's jump right in. First up is a game changer, especially if you're anything like me, prone to the occasional typo. Guys, meet Grammarly. It's like having a personal editor on call 24/7, catching all those pesky grammar mistakes, typos, and even suggesting better word choices. Grammarly makes sure that even on your worst writing day, you're still putting your best foot forward. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. Next, we've got Hemingway Editor. This tool is all about making your writing bold, clear, and straight to the point. It highlights long, confusing sentences, points out excessive adverbs, and ensures your writing packs a punch. Clear writing means clear communication, which wins over clients, builds a loyal audience, and ultimately makes more money. Now let's talk about collaboration. When you're working with clients, especially remotely, you need a tool that allows you to share your work seamlessly. That's where Google Docs comes in. It's free, accessible from anywhere, and lets you collaborate with clients in real time. No more emailing revisions back and forth with Google Docs. Everyone's on the same page, literally. Chapter 4. Upwork, land your first client and your next 100. You've got the tools to write like a pro, but how do you actually find those high-paying clients? Look no further than Upwork. This platform connects you with clients from all over the world who are looking for talented writers like you. Create a profile, showcase your skills, and boom, you're on your way to building a thriving freelance writing business. Chapter 5. LinkedIn Network, your way to freelance success. If you're serious about building a long-term freelance writing career, you need to be on LinkedIn. It's a powerful networking tool that can connect you with potential clients, collaborators, and mentors. Keep your profile updated, share your work, engage with others in your industry, and watch the opportunities roll in. Trust me, LinkedIn is a game changer. Chapter 6. ProBlogger, your go-to job board for content creation gigs. ProBlogger is specifically for bloggers and content creators. You'll find tons of high-quality gigs here, from one-off blog posts to ongoing content creation contracts. Use the tools in this video to up your writing game, build a killer portfolio, and stand out from the crowd. Chapter 7. Trello, organize your freelance life and actually get things done. Freelancing is all about freedom, but that freedom can quickly turn into chaos if you're not organized. That's where Trello comes in. It's a project management tool that helps you keep track of all your projects, deadlines, and ideas in one easy-to-use interface. Create boards for different clients, assign tasks, set deadlines. It's like having a personal assistant, but without the hefty price tag. Chapter 8. Notion, the all-in-one workspace for writers on the go. Notion is a powerful all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, task management, and collaboration, all in one beautiful and intuitive interface. Use it to jot down ideas, outline your articles, track your progress, and even collaborate with clients. It integrates seamlessly with other tools like Google Docs and Trello. Chapter 9. Google Calendar. Never miss a deadline or a coffee break. Again, time management is crucial when you're a freelancer, and Google Calendar is your secret weapon for staying on top of everything. Use it to schedule client calls, block out time for writing, and set reminders for deadlines. Create a balanced schedule that works for you and helps you avoid burnout. Chapter 10. PayPal. Get paid like a pro without the hassle. Getting paid should be the easy part, right? With PayPal, it is. It's a secure and widely used platform that makes it easy to send and receive payments from clients all over the world. Chapter 11. Waive your free accounting sidekick. Wave is a completely free tool that offers accounting and invoicing specifically designed for freelancers. It helps you track your income and expenses, send professional invoices, and even manage your receipts. It's like having a personal accountant on call, but without the hefty fees. Outro. Unlock your writing potential. Start using these tools today. So, there you have it, guys, the ultimate toolkit for freelance writers. These tools can save you time and improve your work, making your freelance writing career more efficient and successful. When you're more efficient, you can take on more clients, earn more money, and ultimately achieve that financial freedom we all dream of. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and guides. Now go out there, crush it, and I'll see you in the next video.